Let's be real. No one prepares you for the changes that come after 50. The dips in energy, the slower response times, the frustration of not feeling like yourself in the bedroom. And yet, almost no one is talking about it openly. But today, we are. Because here's the truth, your sexual vitality doesn't vanish with age, it just evolves. And with the right tools, knowledge, and mindset, you can absolutely reclaim the confidence, stamina, and satisfaction you thought were gone. In this video, we're diving into science-backed methods that actually work, from hormonal health and circulation boosters to mental shifts and lifestyle upgrades. No gimmicks, no embarrassment, just real strategies for real men. So, if you've been wondering, is there anything I can do to feel like myself again? Are my performance changes permanent? Do other men go through this too? You're in the right place. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's have the honest conversation most men are too afraid to start. And if anything in this video hits home, drop a comment below. You never know who might be inspired by your story. 1. Optimize your testosterone, naturally and safely. Testosterone isn't just about building muscle, it's your body's internal spark plug. It drives energy levels, regulates mood, and plays a vital role in libido and sexual satisfaction. But here's the deal. After 30, testosterone levels decline about 1% each year, and by the time you're in your 50s, that adds up. The good news? There are powerful, natural ways to reclaim and sustain healthy testosterone levels without jumping straight to medications. Start with strength training. Resistance exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses have been shown to trigger testosterone production. Prioritize deep, uninterrupted sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours nightly, because your hormones recover and reset while you rest. Reduce chronic stress, which floods your system with cortisol, a testosterone killer. And support your body with zinc-rich foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds, plus vitamin D from sunshine or supplements. That said, if your levels are significantly low or natural methods don't work alone, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, might be worth exploring. But don't self-diagnose. Work with a qualified physician who can test your levels, assess your symptoms, and guide you through a safe and personalized plan. Remember, this is about feeling like yourself again, not chasing youth, but embracing vitality. If you've started a natural routine or have experience with TRT, share your story in the comments. Your experience could empower someone else, and if you're appreciating these real evidence-based insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. We're just getting started. 2. Improve blood flow. It's more important than you think. Healthy blood flow isn't just a piece of the puzzle, it's the foundation. When circulation is restricted, everything from stamina to arousal can take a hit. And conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or a sedentary lifestyle, they can quietly sabotage your performance without you even realizing it. The powerful news is this: you can take control. Start with regular cardiovascular exercise, walking, swimming, or cycling, to boost heart health and stimulate circulation. Add in foods rich in nitrates and antioxidants like beets, spinach, citrus fruits, and dark chocolate, which naturally increase nitric oxide levels in the blood. Avoiding smoking and heavy alcohol use is also essential, as both directly constrict blood vessels. And for an extra edge, some men have found doctor-approved supplements like L-arginine, citrulline, and even pycnogenol helpful for enhancing vascular function. Don't underestimate the role of hydration and stress management either. Both play subtle but critical roles in maintaining optimal blood flow. Every positive choice adds up, and the difference it can make in your energy, confidence, and bedroom satisfaction is nothing short of life-changing. 3. Strengthen the mind-body connection. Sexual performance isn't just about your body. It starts with your mind. Feelings of anxiety, stress, self-doubt, and even the pressure to perform can creep in quietly and sabotage intimacy before it even begins. And guess what? This mental load is more common than you might think, especially after 50, when life changes, body changes, and emotional baggage tend to pile up. But here's the good news. The mind is trainable. You can rewire your response to stress and build a powerful connection between your thoughts and your physical responses. How? Through mindfulness techniques, controlled breathing, cognitive reframing, and even sexual performance coaching, all of which help you stay present, reduce anxiety, and unlock confidence where it matters most. Start small. 5 minutes of deep breathing before bed, a short meditation session in the morning, or simply shifting your inner dialogue from "what if I can't" to "I'm showing up for myself and my partner." If you're re-entering a relationship after a break or rekindling a long-term one, these tools can transform the experience, not just physically, but emotionally. If this resonates with you, drop a comment below. You're not the only one on this path. Let's build a community where confidence and vulnerability can coexist. And hey, if you're finding value in this conversation, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering, judgment-free insights. Your mindset matters, and it might just be the secret to reigniting everything. 4. Rethink intimacy. It's not just about performance. For many men, one of the most powerful shifts comes from understanding that intimacy is much more than just the physical act. It's about presence, trust, vulnerability, and the deep emotional bond shared between partners. When you stop measuring success by performance and start measuring it by connection, everything changes. Instead of focusing solely on getting it right, focus on being there. That means setting aside distractions, being emotionally available, and really listening to your partner's needs and feelings. Take the time to cuddle, laugh, touch, and talk openly, even about things that once felt awkward. These small acts build a stronger emotional foundation and create a safer, more passionate space for both of you. Explore new forms of pleasure together, whether that's through sensual massage, mutual discovery, or simply enjoying close, uninterrupted time without expectations. You might be surprised how much more fulfilling and exciting intimacy becomes when both of you feel seen, valued, and connected. Your partner isn't expecting perfection. They're yearning for authenticity and closeness. And chances are, you are too. If this resonates with you, take a moment to drop a comment below. Let's normalize this conversation and remind each other that intimacy evolves, and it can be even better than before. And hey, if you're finding value in these insights, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real, empowering content for men over 50. Let's rebuild connection, one honest conversation at a time. 5. Seek professional help without shame. Here's the truth. Millions of men are facing exactly what you're experiencing right now. Struggles with sexual health, confidence, or performance after 50 are far more common than you think. And thankfully, there are trained professionals who dedicate their lives to helping men just like you. We're talking about urologists, sexual health specialists, therapists, and even performance coaches, all equipped to guide you through this journey. From effective medications and counseling to cutting-edge treatments like shockwave therapy and platelet-rich plasma, PRP, injections, the toolbox is full. The most important step? Reaching out, speaking up, taking the initiative to invest in your well-being. There is no shame in seeking help. In fact, it's one of the most courageous things you can do. Don't let stigma keep you from rediscovering satisfaction, connection, and confidence in your life. You're not broken, you're not alone, and your best days, in every sense, may still be ahead of you. Whether you're in a relationship or flying solo, your ability to connect, to feel desire, and to enjoy real intimacy is still very much alive. We know this topic can feel isolating, even intimidating. But you are far from the only one navigating this. Countless men are reclaiming their confidence, rediscovering joy, and building stronger, more satisfying relationships with themselves and their partners. Which of these strategies hit home for you? Have you tried something that's made a difference? Share your story in the comments. You might say exactly what another man needs to hear to start his own journey. If this video helped you feel more seen, more informed, or more empowered, give it a thumbs up, send it to a friend who could use the encouragement, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, relatable advice for men over 50. Remember, true strength isn't about pretending everything's okay. It's about showing up, taking action, and embracing the possibility of something better. Your next chapter starts now.